Hi, my name's Haley. I'm the children's specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library. And for today's February break craft, we're making heart buddies. Let's get started. This craft, you will need 2 pipe cleaners, one big, one small, some markers, a paper heart, 2 googly eyes, and some glue. The first step is to decorate your paper heart so you can add a fun design. For this one, I'm just going to draw some polka dots. Make my paper heart a little bit more interesting here. You can do any design you would like. So once I've done that, I'm going to put the cap on my marker, and the next step is to glue our googly eyes down. So I think it's a lot easier to put glue on the heart instead of the back of the eyes. So I'm going to put glue where I want my eyes to go. All right. And then just pop the eyes on there. Try not to move them around too much so the glue doesn't unstick. And hold them in place. Make sure not to move it around so that they have time to stick. Once they're all stuck on, it's time for step 3. So you're going to take out your pipe cleaners. So we've got one big one and one about half the size. So if you lose the small one, just take a normal pipe cleaner and cut it in half. And we're going to string the small pipe cleaner through these top holes here. So put one end through and then the other end through. Careful, the ends might be a little bit sharp. I'm going to bend it a little bit so the arms aren't all wonky. So we've got the arms, and then the big one makes up the legs. So it goes through the bottom 2 holes. So thread it through the back here, pull it through, and then we've got legs. I like to take the bottoms and bend them a little bit so they look like little feet. So we've got little feet there. Remember, these are pipe cleaners, so if anything's bent a little funky, you can bend it back. And the last step is to add a smile. So I'm going to add a nice little smile to my heart buddy here. You can add anything else you'd like, but there's your heart buddy. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had fun and love your heart buddy as much as I loved mine. Make sure to hit subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. And I'll see you back for our next February break craft tomorrow. Bye!